This is the ow sound, using the letters O and U to make the ow sound. Let's have a look at some real words with the ow sound. Special friends, sh and ow. Fred talk, sh, ow, t, shout. Special friends, ow. Fred talk, k, ow, d, cloud. Special friends, ow. Fred talk, s, p, ow, t, spout. Special friends, ow. Fred talk, w, ow, d, wound. Special friends, ow and ch. Fred talk, k, ow, ch, couch. Now let's have a look at some alien words using the ow sound. Special friends, ow. Fred talk, ow, d, s, mouths. Special friends, ow. Fred talk, s, ow, p, sloup. Special friends, ow and th. Fred talk, p, ow, th, plouth. Special friends, ch and ow. Fred talk, ch, ow, chown.